Morning time, cool breeze, and this peace. The morning in the village has its own charm. Look at this, dewdrops on every leaf. Where do you get to see such a sight in the city?
Hello everyone, today I'm exploring this beautiful village and look, fresh chai.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम चाचा, कैसे हैं आप?
Hey everyone, look at these amazing kites the kids are flying today. It's such a beautiful day in the village.
This is the beautiful village I grew up in, and these mustard fields stretch as far as the eye can see. I remember when I was a child, I used to sit here for hours and just look at the sky.
Look at these amazing parathas.
Auntie, these look so delicious.
Good morning, everyone. Look at this beautiful sunrise. I'm just on my way back home saying hello to my lovely neighbors.